Alright, so we just entered the bird exhibit. Taking a look around. If you can see one, it's right there. It's a pretty baby. And then this is its little hidey place. It's a pretty little birdie. And then
whenever we're here, the vulture's up there flexing.
It likes to have its wings open a lot. And there's ones right there. There used to be 3. And the condor used to be in here too, but they moved it. And then over here, here's some duckies.
Here's a list of them.
And this one's just it's going So this cage, the vultures, it's a turkey vulture. It's a turkey vulture. A turkey vulture. And then a mourning dove, a northern bobwhite, a castle egret, and a killed deer. Oh, there's a pheasant. I love these things. Golden pheasant. That's what these things are. They're called golden pheasants. And there's one of those little white pelican ducks. I think these are mini quails. I don't know what they are. But they're tiny
and adorable.
They're really tiny and cute. These are our favorites by far. So this is how big they are. Really small. And then here's one of those white ones. Oh, it's a golden pheasant. So there's our white. So there are white owls, mourning dove, ring-necked pheasants,
Izzy, come here. This one's
killdeer, and a wood duck.
This one has a bald head. Baldy.
And,
it's a baldy.
And then
that one's a baldy, and that one over there is not a baldy. That one's a baldy.
This one's, these are mourning doves, I think. Tell me if I'm wrong.
The first one is
so
bald,
they're picking on this one.
Oh, there's one coming up, and it's little. Oh,
see, there's this one. It was just climbing on those rocks. Oh, there's 2, 3. They're really good swimmers.
Over there. That
There's
one's catching
some
a fish.
over there.
That one's catching a fish. I just hit a fish. Mom, that one just caught a fish.
They're just all over here. And then just that one's just, I feel like they're gonna get in a fight, a bird fight. You don't want to see. And then here's another little, call them baby quails. Call them baby quails, they're so cute. And that's where the baby quails stay. Some over here.
Oh, big one over there.
Duck.
A goose.
Goose. Don't know what that is. Northern bobwhite. And then castle egret. White elves. Smells like some chicken poop. Do you think there might be chicken? It smells like chicken poop.
So there's
See, there's some. There's baby quail. There's the endangered American crow. The endangered American crow. It's funny because there are a lot of around.
The long-nosed one, after the long-nosed one gets food out, it's been scaring them so that they'll drop it so it can eat it. So, see, this one dropped it and got distracted.
Which one?
The one that's white with the
Like
short beak.
brownie.
And it has
a
a
short beak. It has,
it scares other ones.
yeah, it's right here.
Oh.
This is the
Right
main
there.
one. But then evidently that one's higher ranking than this one. This one's been scaring the bigger birds to drop
It's
their
kind of like a, I want to call them small flamingos. Mini
I don't know
flamingos.
what he is.
Because this one, it has like pin feathers on its tail.
You're not allowed to eat in here. No.
And
Sorry.
Audrey, come here.
see, there's some more. Oh, that one's squawking over there.
Hey, look.
It's a goose. Another goose. There's a,
Look right here. Audrey, look over here.
yay, it can eat. That one's eating.
Just stay in there.
Gonna make them some weird sounds. Checking out people. Tie them back up, they're geese. You're lucky they aren't guard geese.
We can go back out this way.
You want to go see the bald eagle? Or?
Okay, we gotta go here.
Just see the bald eagle?
They're screaming at Titan. And then these guys are over here. Yay, that one's actually eating. Titan, back up. Here's a close-up.
It has a little man tongue. See, he's trying to me. It has a little man tongue. Are you trying to eat the vine? They're trying to eat it. They're trying to eat it. Are you trying to eat that thing? They're just going under, Izzy. They're chasing me.
Can't remember what this one's called. Oh, that one just flew over there. But its feet are like, they were just like tucked into it. You can see it. It's graceful little.
They're coming after me.
See?
They're coming
It's
after
like
me.
I think it's a black-haired swan.
After me, Izzy.
Oh, and these ones are pretty.
They're stubborn guard geese.
It's not zoomed in now. Right. See, aren't they pretty?
Izzy, over here.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
They're stubborn.
Yep. Titan, you might want to back up. That one can fly, apparently. And there's that graceful little swimmer I was telling you about. I'm just trying to find some. Mama! Just walk away. So they're coming after us. Just scanning. Looking around for more birdies. There's that one over there. Let me see. See the rogue runner. Might be able to see that one. And then there used to be 12 or 13 of these ring-necked pheasants, but they just all went poof and now they're gone. Oh, that one looks like that's the one that's the jerk over there. It's the jerk one.
Izzy, come on. Take a video of the girl. The road runner. Hey, buddy. Hey, Izzy.
Titan, go find Mom. Oh, now it's over here. Oh my gosh, this thing's fast. Oh man, this thing is fast. Oh, it's just... Oh, there's two of them. Aren't they pretty?
They're over here.
They are